morning, math class. Today for math, when you go to our home page and then you click on Friday and you go to math, you'll see that I'm going to have you work out of your fat math book today. When you're all done with those pages, you are going to take a picture of them and put them into Seesaw. The way that you'll take a picture and put them into Seesaw is that you will go log into Seesaw. When you get there, you're going to go to the inbox, right there. And that's going to look like this, okay? You're going to click the green plus sign or the green button that says add, and then you're going to click on post student work. When you get to that page, you'll see all these choices. You are going to choose photo. Now you can see me because I just turned the camera on in my computer, so it's looking at me. This page looks like this. You see a camera on the side and a camera button right there in the middle and another camera button. So you'll take your math book page and you'll hold it in front of the camera and you'll take a picture of it. And then you'll turn it and take a picture of the other side. So when you take your picture, click. Okay, here's my picture. It's a picture of me. Now you're going to go up and click the check button, and then you're going to come and find your name. I'm going to just be the sample student, and then I'm going to click the check button, and then I'm going to click Everyday Math, the green folder, and then I'm going to click the check button, and now it's uploading. And now the work I've done is on my screen. I can see this picture of me. That was my work. And then you're all done. Then I will have your work and I can look at it when it's finished. Okay, thanks much. I hope this is fun. Have a great day.